Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a program that will delete a full directory. Before you start, we're going to import the time module, and we're going to import this module here, Shutil. Basically you might not have this on your system, so if you don't have it on your system you will have to install it through Python pip at the command line. Okay, here we go. I'm going to create a little program here called path. So first of all I want the path to my desktop. So this is the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop. Your desktop path is different from this, so you'll have to find out what your unique desktop path is, because if you type this in it won't run. And then we use os.chdr change directory to the path, and of course here we're going to have to import the os module as well. Import os. Right, now we're going to create the function define remove full directory. Right, so first of all we type in directory, and we assign that to input, which will grab the user input, and then we print out a message to the user, enter dir, so enter the directory that we want to delete there. Right, we're going to use an error handler here, and we start off with try. So if there's an error, this should catch it, and then we're going to start off with if os.path.exists, which is going to be the directory that we typed in. Basically, if this directory exists, then we're going to do something, and we're going to print a message to the user telling the user what we're going to do. Removing directory and contents. We give it a little pause using time.sleep. In here we're going to pause it for 1 second, so it looks like the program is working. And now we're going to use Shutil here .rmtree, remove the tree. So this is going to remove the directory and all of its contents. So that's going to be directory there, which will be the directory name we typed in the input box up here. Or else we're going to print directory doesn't exist. So we're going to print directory doesn't exist there, and then we're going to finish off our error handler. Whoops, exception. As E, and then we're going to print let's say print error. I'm going to do a F string there, format the string, error details. This is going to be the E in here, which will give us the details of the error. Okay, right, let's have a look. So the user is going to type in, we'll start up at the top here, so we're going to change to this path, which is the desktop. We're going to remove a directory, so we're going to type in the directory here. We've got the error handler, and then we check if the directory actually exists. If it exists, we print removing directory and contents. We pause it for 1 second to make it look like the program is working. Then we use Shutil.Rmtree, the directory, to remove the directory and all the contents. Or else, if that's not the case, we're going to have to print the directory doesn't exist. Or if there's another problem, we're going to have to use the error handler here to tell the user what the error is, and then all we have to do is call the program, which is remove full directory. Yeah, let's just save that. Let's just have a look on the desktop first. So this is the directory called example that I'm wanting to remove, and it's full of stuff like this. Let's go back there and let's run the program. Okay, so this should be exception as E. Let's just save that. Let's just run the program. Right, okay, so we're going to enter a directory. So that's going to be example. Removing directory and contents. Okay. Let's just check that out. And it's gone. Slight little error I made here when I said removing directory and contents. Underneath I should have put print directory removed, so it will give us a message afterwards. It wouldn't just leave us hanging in the air like that, so that would be a better practice for that. So let's just run it again. Let's just type in something else. Let's type in a directory that doesn't exist. Okay, and it's told us here that the directory doesn't exist. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.